Hi everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. After almost 2 years, I'm finally back on my channel. We'll be covering all the latest technologies and diving deep into each one. So I request all of you to please keep supporting me and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Spring Boot Actuator, a handy tool that helps you keep an eye on your Spring Boot application. We'll look at what it does, what is a Spring Boot Actuator, why do we use a Spring Boot Actuator, which dependency is required to use Actuator, what are the key features of Spring Boot Actuator, what are some commonly available Actuator endpoints, how do you enable or disable specific Actuator endpoints, how do you expose Actuator endpoints over HTTP, how can you secure Actuator endpoints with Spring Security. These are the most frequently asked questions by interviewers. Let's jump right in. Spring Boot Actuator is a built-in tool that helps you monitor and manage your app. It gives you ready-made endpoints to check health, view metrics, and track traffic all in real time. It's great for debugging and keeping your app running smoothly. And the interviewer might ask you, why is Spring Boot Actuator used? It's used to monitor and manage Spring Boot applications in real time. With built-in endpoints, you can check app health, view metrics, track traffic, and debug issues, all without writing extra code. It helps keep your application stable and production ready. Now the question arises, which dependency is required to use Actuator? You just need to add this one line in your POM. For example, just add Spring Boot Starter Actuator. That's it. This dependency gives you all the built-in endpoints to monitor and manage your app. Let's look at some key features Actuator. First, Actuator Health shows the health status of your app, whether it's up and running. Next, Actuator Metrics gives you details about app performance like CPU and memory usage. Then Actuator env shows environment properties and configuration details. Finally, Actuator info displays custom application information like version, description, or author. These endpoints help you monitor and manage your application easily. To enable or disable Actuator endpoints, use your application properties file. For example, to enable the env endpoint, add management env enabled true. To disable metrics, add management endpoint metrics enabled false. You can also control which endpoints are available over HTTP with management endpoints web exposure in cool health info. This helps keep your app secure and shows only what you want. To expose Actuator endpoints over HTTP, use this property in your application properties file. Management endpoints web exposure inclination health info metrics. This lets you choose which endpoints are accessible through HTTP. By default, only a few endpoints are exposed for security. Have a look on code. This code lets everyone access the health check at Actuator Health without logging in. But for all other Actuator endpoints, only users with the admin role can access them. And it uses basic HTTP authentication to protect these endpoints. This keeps important monitoring data secure while still letting health checks stay public. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos on interview question preparation. Got any questions or suggestions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.